plus 410.8. 410.8 plus L1. Kaya yung L1 is the arc length of chord 1. So, the value of that one is 2 pi r. Okay, radius R1 is 190.99. Yan, times the degrees, no? That is 61 degree, 54 minutes. Yan, divide of the 60 degrees. Plus, okay, 2 pi r of the second chord. So, 44.11 times the degree of the second chord, that is 97 degrees. 22 minutes divided by 360 degrees. Okay, so pila may stationing mo? Is 2 plus ilang na isa mo? 692.09. Okay, so what letter test?